Imagine this. Every day, over 20 million homes and countless businesses across the U.S. rely on cleaning services to keep their spaces spotless and inviting. But here's something you might not know. The cleaning industry isn't just booming. It's one of the fastest-growing service sectors, projected to reach over $74 billion in revenue by 2025. Why is there such a dramatic rise in demand? And how can you tap into this ever-expanding market? This industry's growth isn't a mere trend. It's a response to fundamental shifts in consumer habits and technological advancements. With busy lifestyles, more people are outsourcing cleaning tasks, fueling demand for residential services. Meanwhile, commercial and industrial cleaning needs are escalating, especially as businesses prioritize hygiene and health standards like never before. But what does this really mean for someone looking to enter the cleaning business today? Let's uncover the secrets behind this industry's success and explore how it can open doors for those ready to roll up their sleeves and seize the opportunity. Starting a cleaning business isn't just about making spaces shine. It's about entering an essential industry with wide-reaching effects on public health, job creation, and even environmental responsibility. As we dig deeper, you'll discover how this industry serves as a lifeline to millions of families and businesses, and why it's become a cornerstone of the modern economy. Whether you're looking for financial independence, a flexible career path, or a recession-resistant industry, this field holds remarkable potential. In this video, we'll break down the essentials of building a cleaning business that stands out, from understanding market dynamics to overcoming challenges and scaling for growth. Ready to dive in? Let's get started. Step 1. Laying the groundwork, understanding the market and setting goals. Before diving into the nuts and bolts of starting a cleaning business, it's essential to understand the market landscape. The cleaning industry spans several niches, from residential cleaning and commercial janitorial services to specialized areas like carpet, window, and post-construction cleaning. Each segment has its own set of demands, competition levels, and growth potential, and knowing where you want to focus is crucial for crafting a successful business strategy. 1. Market research and choosing your niche. Start by researching your local market. Identify who's already operating in your area, what services they offer, and how they price those services. Look into customer preferences too. Are they more inclined towards eco-friendly options, or do they prioritize speed and efficiency? If you're in a city where people have busy lifestyles, residential cleaning may be particularly lucrative. On the other hand, if you're in a growing commercial area, office cleaning services could be a smart focus. After identifying a target niche, set clear goals. Do you want to start as a solo operator and gradually expand into a team? Are you aiming to build a business that caters to upscale clients? Or are you more interested in volume-based contracts? Knowing your goals will help you shape your business plan, which is the foundation for securing loans, pitching to investors, and even marketing to your first clients. Case study: how XYZ Cleaning found success in a crowded market. Consider the example of XYZ Cleaning, a residential cleaning business that started with a focus on eco-friendly services. By capitalizing on the demand for sustainable cleaning solutions, they carved out a unique niche that allowed them to stand out from competitors. Their branding emphasized health-conscious cleaning, which resonated with families and health-focused customers, enabling XYZ Cleaning to grow quickly in a crowded market. Key takeaway: research and niche specialization are critical. By understanding what makes your target market unique, you can tailor your services to meet their specific needs, an essential step for anyone looking to build a resilient cleaning business. Step 2. Building a strong operational framework, equipment, staffing, and pricing. Once you've established your niche and set goals, it's time to think about the practical aspects of running your business, starting with the right tools, team, and pricing strategies. 1. Investing in the right equipment and supplies. Cleaning businesses are equipment-dependent, and investing in quality tools can make a significant difference. While startup costs vary depending on the services you provide, basic equipment typically includes vacuum cleaners, mops, disinfectants, and specialized tools like steam cleaners for carpet and upholstery services. For eco-conscious brands, biodegradable cleaning products can be a valuable selling point, although they might come at a higher cost. If you're just starting out, consider renting or buying refurbished equipment to keep initial expenses manageable. 2. Hiring and training your team. Whether you're a one-person operation or planning to build a team from the outset, staffing is a critical aspect of a cleaning business. Look for employees who have experience, but also prioritize reliability and work ethic. Since cleaning is often a personal service that involves entering people's homes or businesses, building trust is essential. Invest time in training your team, not just in cleaning techniques, but also in customer service and communication skills. Clients are more likely to stay loyal if they have a positive experience with your staff, so ensuring consistency in quality can be a competitive advantage. 3. Determining your pricing strategy. Pricing can make or break a cleaning business. For new businesses, it's tempting to set lower rates to attract customers, but undervaluing your services can lead to sustainability issues. Instead, determine a competitive rate based on market research. Consider offering different pricing models, such as hourly rates, flat rates for specific tasks, or package deals for ongoing services. To attract new clients without cutting prices, offer introductory discounts, loyalty programs, or first clean free promotions to give customers a taste of what you offer. Case study: how CleanCo boosted revenue through tiered pricing. CleanCo, a commercial cleaning company, introduced tiered pricing to cater to a broader range of businesses, from small offices to large corporate buildings. By offering 3 service tiers, basic, standard, and premium, they allowed clients to select a package that matched their needs and budgets. This strategy helped CleanCo appeal to cost-conscious clients without sacrificing profitability and position them as a flexible, customer-focused brand. Key takeaway: a strong operational foundation requires balancing cost and quality. Invest in the essentials, build a reliable team, and set a pricing structure that reflects the value you provide while meeting market expectations. Step 3. Scaling and sustaining your business. Marketing, client retention, and long-term strategy. With your business framework in place, the next step is to attract clients and foster relationships that will lead to repeat business. This stage involves marketing effectively, retaining loyal customers, and planning for sustainable growth. 1. Effective marketing tactics for cleaning businesses. Marketing a cleaning business can be as simple or as complex as you choose, but the key is to be visible where your customers are. For residential cleaning, local advertising and online presence are crucial. Start with creating a website that showcases your services, customer testimonials, and any unique offerings, such as eco-friendly products or specialized cleaning techniques. Leverage social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram, where local customers often look for recommendations. Consider signing up for platforms like Angie's List or Thumbtack, where people specifically search for cleaning services. Another effective marketing tactic is to partner with local real estate agents, property managers, or event venues, who often need cleaning services for clients moving in or out or preparing spaces for events. 2. Building client loyalty and referrals. Retaining clients can be more cost-effective than constantly acquiring new ones. Focus on delivering consistent quality, punctuality, and clear communication to build trust with clients. Encourage satisfied customers to leave reviews on platforms like Google or Yelp, and consider implementing a referral program to reward customers who recommend your services. Regular check-ins with clients, asking for feedback, and implementing improvements can set you apart as a customer-centered business. Case study: Made Plus, using loyalty programs to drive repeat business. Made Plus, a residential cleaning company, introduced a Clean Club loyalty program, which offered clients a discount on every 5th cleaning service. This simple strategy kept clients returning and boosted revenue while building brand loyalty. By making the loyalty program easy to understand and beneficial for clients, Made Plus was able to secure a consistent customer base. 3. Long-term strategy and expansion opportunities. As your business gains traction, it's important to consider long-term strategies for growth. Many successful cleaning businesses expand by adding complementary services, like organizing or light repair work, to broaden their offerings. Others consider franchising or licensing as a way to expand without directly managing every new location. Think about the long-term goals you outlined when you first started. Do you envision scaling into multiple locations, or are you aiming to create a high-quality, small-scale operation with steady clients? Planning for expansion may also involve shifting from an operator role to more of a managerial role, overseeing teams and focusing on business development rather than day-to-day cleaning. Key takeaway: sustainable growth in the cleaning business comes down to effective marketing, building loyalty, and having a clear vision for expansion. Plan with the future in mind, and think strategically about when and how to scale. Conclusion: starting a cleaning business is more than just a practical opportunity. It's a chance to enter an industry that's both essential and rewarding. With careful planning, a focus on quality, and a dedication to customer satisfaction, you can create a business that not only stands out, but thrives in today's competitive market. By understanding market demands, investing in the right tools and people, and laying a foundation for sustainable growth, you're setting yourself up for success. Now, it's your turn to take these insights and apply them to build a cleaning business that makes an impact, one clean space at a time.